Namaste and welcome back. I'm Ayusha and right now I'm here at shop number 302 at Chhaya Center, Nature's Closet, Nepal. Nature's Closet, Nepal, as the name suggests, is all about natural fabrics such as silk, cotton, linen, hemp, bamboo and so on. So you should definitely visit here for all kinds of sustainable wares for both men and women. It is committed to provide the best quality clothing to ensure 100% satisfaction. The best thing about Nature's Closet Nepal is all the fabric it uses are organically grown without the use of pesticides and chemicals and have the best biodegradable qualities. Their organic collection ranges from casual basics to semi-casual coats and dresses. If you want your style to be healthy, comfortable and thoughtful, bring home the delight of Nature's Closet Nepal.